Right, I'm about to do a test on this Fan Shroud E3D version 6. Been through a number of iterations to get this fan to be closer in so it doesn't knock against the carriage and then lose space because it's not reaching the end stop, except when you're going to have to move it over. Okay, I've got this like cardboard box here with some bits of paper on, normal paper cut quite small, and some tissue paper. Let me move the box about. You might just see some of the bits of paper there moving slightly. Try and bring it a bit closer. I think that this fan is silent for, well, I could do a bit more powerful fan basically. It is quite weak, the air blowing on this fan. Silent for, that's the nozzle knocking paper there. We might just see moving a little bit. Especially sort of more near the fan, I think. It's getting caught actually. You see some of it is blowing against, some of it is getting knocked by the nozzle. You see that the nozzle is below the fan shroud. I'll show you the ring in a way that's not really touching as much as I can. As I say, the notch in here is for the cables to go out. So you can see that the ring is not touching the heater block there. You can see the cables going out. I've just like hooked this up temporarily. And now I managed to move the fan over. This end stop does function okay. X-axis. Okay. It's mainly the power of the fan, I think, that's going to cause any problem here. I think a more powerful fan than this that blows more air will be better. These are good if you want a silent fan, but I'm not too sure about the air pressure. I think there might be higher air pressure fans than this one I'm using.